Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan SE, and this, like most of our vehicles, is a wheelchair and mobility accessible van. It is a rear entry manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very little to go wrong. You see how easy the rear trunk opens up. The conversion is a brand new conversion. It's got these clamps that are very easy to operate. I can operate the entire conversion using just 2 fingers. We unlatch these. It's got a handle on the driver's side and a handle on the passenger side. As you see, folks, I got 1 finger on this. I can take this to the ground using only 1 finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate these ramps with no problem. They're very easy to do. The ramp itself is 34 inches wide. I like the rear entry. The side entries are only 30 inches wide, so this gives you 4 more inches. Coming inside the van has a 56.5 inches of headroom, and inside the van there are 58.5 inches of headroom. Yes, this van is ADA compliant, so if you want to use it for a taxi service or nursing home or any other sort of business, it does qualify. It meets those standards. You can see it has 8 tie-down points, 2 in the rear, 4 in the middle, 2 up front. This van is made to hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or a stretcher. You can see it has a spare tire there. The headliner is in good condition. It does have the rear air controls as well. Now these 2 middle seats, there's about 21 inches of room between those. What our customers will sometimes do, if they're going to use this for a taxi, they'll remove one of the seats maybe to create a little bit more room. Sometimes they remove both the seats. We do also have platforms that will install. The seats will flip up out of the way when not in use and clear the entire canal. So tell us what you're using it for. Tell us what you need. Let us build you a van to meet your needs. The interior is very clean. It's certainly not perfect, but it's overall pretty clean. The dash is in excellent shape. I don't see any signs of holes or scratches in the dash. It does have the steering wheel controls. I like that. So whether you're driving this or your family or your employees, they can keep their eyes on the road and still operate the radio. It has the rear air controls, which allows you to regulate the air in the back for your passengers. Also the driver temperature and passenger temperature. So it has dual climate control. So when you've got all your passengers in the van and you're ready to go and they're all secure, come back out. Look here, 1 finger, folks. Very easy to do. Lift her up, latch everything back down, shut your trunk lid, and you're ready to roll. Do a quick walk around of the van. This van is super clean. It's got the tinted windows. It looks real sharp. I'm having a hard time finding a dent or scratch in this thing. It's got the alloy wheels. These rear tires look like they're about brand new. As I continue to walk around here, I'm not saying this van is perfect. I do see a little scratch right here in the paint. As I back away though, you can see you really have to look hard in this van to find any blemishes. For a van of this age, 2013, this van is in immaculate condition. I see 1 tiny little ding right here. I bet someone got him with a door or something in a parking lot. But certainly no major body damage. This paint still shines like the day it came off the assembly line. It's a really nice looking van. I do see 1 small tiny dent right there, about the size of a dime. So again, I'm not trying to paint this van as perfect, but I'm trying to paint this as a very nice, very well taken care of van. The rear captain's chairs back here, both very clean. These will fold down if you need them to. Have the armrest as well to make comfortable driving for your passengers. Got the cup holders there in the door. You can see the VIN number there. We always try to show the VIN number with our vehicles, just to show that we're selling the van we say we're selling. There's a lot of funny people out there doing a lot of funny things. So we do put plastic on the seats. We've got mechanics that hop in these vans to move them sometimes. We want our van staying as clean as possible. But overall, for this light color interior, it's very clean. It's got cup holders galore in here. And as you can see, when I go ahead to turn the van on, we do have one key. You can buy additional keys at your cost. This van does start right up, first time, every time. You can see all the dummy lights work, the check engine light, airbag light, ABS light. Current miles 59,357. Very low miles. Let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6. It idles smoothly, the engine sounds good. No signs of any leaks. This van has been inspected. No signs of any leaks, no signs of any damage. Overall, again, extremely clean inside and out. As I crawl on the van, on the ground, get underneath here. The reason we do this, I want to show you there's no water damage under here. I don't see any signs of any leaks. I don't see any signs of any damage like a bent frame or anything like that. Let's walk around and do the same on the side. Folks, the reason I do this is I can buy these vans for a dime a dozen. Up in New York, in Chicago, where I can buy them from a flooded region. And I can, sell them and make a lot more money on them, but that's not how I do business. That's why I'm down here on the ground, showing you what everything looks like underneath. So no matter who you buy from, we hope it's us. But if you're going to buy sight unseen, make sure the seller gets out and makes you a video like this. You can make anything look pretty in pictures. But if they won't spend 30 minutes like we do, getting out on the ground, making a video so you know exactly what you're getting, then who are you buying from? When you buy from Affordable Mobility Solutions, we've been in business 8 years now. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. And I hope you see by our videos, we are trying to be honest and fair as we possibly can. We've checked all the windows in this thing, all the power windows, power mirrors. We pushed every button on these. Our goal is when you show up, when you see this van, I want you to say, that's exactly the van I thought I was going to get, whether we deliver it to you or whether you come and buy it. So let's get it out on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video, I always like to get the vans on a test drive. What I want to do is drive them hard so you can hear the engine run and the transmission shift. And whether we ship this out to you with our free shipping or you come pick it up and drive it home, I want you to know this van is road worthy. I'm going to pop it up to about 70 miles an hour. It's up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. You can see the steering wheel's nice and sturdy. It drives nice and steady down the road. Very nice ride. And I know there's a lot of companies out there selling mobility vans. What I want you to ask yourself is, do they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau? Because we do. Do they have 500 reviews on eBay, 500 positive reviews, 0 negative reviews? Because we do. Folks, as 500 people said we did a good job, that we treated them right. Nobody said that we did them wrong. I'd say that's pretty darn good. Do they have any hidden administrative fees, document fees, tag fees? Ask them, because we don't. That's not how I do business. I don't sell a van for a price and then try and slide $300 in there and $500 in there and then $50 in there. Be very aware of dealers out there doing that. Do they get out and they make a video like we do? Because obviously we do. You're watching it. So be sure to ask them about a video. And finally, do they offer free shipping to your door? We pay the average shipping rate to your home or business. We're one of the few companies that does that. So I'm going to give the van a hard brake. You can see there's no grinding, no squealing. Front end solid. So is this a brand new van? Of course not. Is it a very, very nice van that's been very well taken care of, that runs and drives amazing? Yes, it is. So if you ever want to come see one of our vehicles, please always give us a call, set an appointment with us. I know your time is valuable. We don't want to miss you. So give us a call. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. Call, make an appointment with us. We'll make sure you've seen everything you need to see on the vans. We'll get you all your questions answered. Also, check us out 24 hours a day. www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. Also, we have a store open in Dallas now. Check out our Dallas inventory. www.bigtexmobility.com. All our inventory is on one website. You can look at our Dallas inventory. You can look at our Wichita, Kansas inventory. And we'll be glad to ship it to you either way. If you ever want to see a van before you put a big, put money down on it, or before you purchase it, I know this is a big purchase, folks. Call us. We can put it on a truck and trailer. We can bring it out to you. Tulsa, Oklahoma City, Kansas City, Dallas. We can't work for free, but we can work for a very reasonable rate. I'm very confident in our vans, and I'm very confident once you see them, you'll be very happy with them. So as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.